Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students of class 7 and dear viewers, welcome all of you from Chattogram Online School. This is Nurul Aziz, Assistant Teacher English, Krishna Kumari City Corporation Girls High School. Dear students, please get ready with your English for today book and of course your device so that you can enjoy the class. My dear students, in my last class, I talked about our teacher, that is from Unit 4 Lesson 3. Today we will talk about the immediate next lesson, and first of all you see some pictures. Try to guess the lesson today. You see in the picture some guests, they are inaugurating a shop. What is the name of the shop? Agora. This is a popular super shop. So you see among the guests our greatest cricketing star Tamim Iqbal along with other guests. So he is inaugurating the super shop. Let's see another picture. In this picture you see some um, grocery, fruits and juice items in this shop. Also there is cosmetics. So everything in this shop. This is a super shop and people can go there and choose their um, necessary items and buy it. But remember, you don't need to bargain there because this is a fixed price shop. You just need to choose your required items and pay the price. So this is a fixed price shop. So our today's lesson is about fixed price shop. That is from Unit 4 Lesson 4. You will find it at page 32. Please open at page 32 and try to follow the class. After the end of the lesson, you will be able to make sentences with new words, read and understand text, ask and answer questions. So my dear students, let's start with vocabulary. Stationery. First one is stationery. You see in the picture some stationery items. They are pen, pencil, scissors, sharpener, notebook, pencil box, etc. These are stationery items. So the word stationery means which is motionless, still or standing. In the shops where we buy these things, this is um, usually standing, motionless. So that is why it is called probably stationary. So you see bargain. Next one is bargain. See in the shop a woman buying some fruits and she is bargaining over the price of the fruit so that she can buy in her acceptable price. So bargaining means to negotiate the terms and conditions of a transaction. Next one is haggle. Haggle is something like bargain, but sometimes it leads to dispute or bargain persistently, especially over the cost of something. You see here in a shop, to the seller and the buyer is bargaining or haggling, and at one point it goes to a dispute, something like the seller says $300 and the buyer wants to buy it at $100 only. So sometimes it goes to a dispute, something like that. And or if you bargain persistently, this is called haggle. So please note down the meaning. And offer. Next one is offer. You see the picture, big sale, 70% off. That means special offer. So you can buy this any item here. Where you see this kind of offer, you can buy in a reduced price. So offer means provide an opportunity, or you can say an expression of readiness to give or to do something if desired. And last one is agree on. If you agree on means to share the same opinion about items, topics, or standards. You see, if you agree on, then you come to a conclusion or solution. So we have finished learning the vocabularies. Now we'll have some pre-reading questions. Try to ask this, try to answer this. What kind of things do you find in the shop? First of all, let's see a picture. Here you see some students choosing their required things. They are trying to pick their necessary things here. So in this shop you see some bottles, mineral waters, bread, also pen, pencil, etc. So probably this is a stationery shop. So let's go to the questions. What kind of things do you find in the shop? In the shop we find what? Stationery items in the shop such as books, pencils. We also get some food items here. What are the students doing? The students are choosing their necessary stationery items to buy. Who is in the shop? Who is the shopkeeper? Is there any shopkeeper? No, there is no shopkeeper. The buyer is both the buyer and seller. Here you have to buy it and also you have to sell it. That means you just need to take the items you need and pay the price in the box. So this special particular shop there is no seller. So next is our today's passage, that is in a dialogue format. So you see Miss Shahana Huda is talking to the students about a new kind of shop. Shahana says, you can buy any stationery items here like pens, pencils, notebooks, colored paper. In fact, everything you need for writing and drawing. You can also buy some food items like biscuits, buns, bananas, bottles of mineral water, and some other necessary things. You can also buy your school uniform and other clothes. There are a number of benefits of this shop. You don't have to bargain or haggle with the shopkeeper over the prices of anything. If you have a fixed price shop, then you don't need to bargain or haggle with the shopkeeper. Then Hridoy says, what is bargain or haggle, teacher? Shahana answers, suppose you want to buy a shirt or dress in a shop in the market. You ask, how much is this? The shopkeeper says 300 taka. But in many cases, this price is more than the real price. So you offer 200 taka or even less. The shopkeeper says, no, I can't sell it for taka 200. Then you offer taka 225 taka. And he may still say, no, it will be a loss for me. This process of asking for and offering more and less money is called bargaining or haggling. It goes on until you both buyer and seller agree on a price. Say taka 250 in this case, this price is acceptable to both of you. So you said at last taka 250. Then the seller agrees on with you. So this is bargaining. Then Sazia says, if there is no bargaining, how are we going to buy things? Shahana, you don't need to bargain. It will be a fixed price shop. That means if you go to a fixed price shop, then you don't need to bargain or haggle. So let's answer some questions here, my dear students. You see the question number one. Do you go shopping? Where is the shop? Do you go shopping? Where is the shop? So you can say, yes, I go shopping and it's near my house. Or you can say, it's far away from my house. Or you can say, there's no shop near my house. I go shopping, but I have to go um, go to a market to buy anything. Anything you can write here. What do you usually buy? Generally, usually we buy some things that we need every day. So I usually buy stationery or grocery items. Stationery or grocery items. These items we need usually every day. So, do you bargain or why do you do that? If you buy something, do you bargain? Or if you bargain, why do you do that? So let's see. Sometimes I bargain. I do it to buy the necessary things in an acceptable price and to save money, of course. You want to save money, you don't need to, you don't, you never want to buy things at a high price. So you go on bargaining to come to an acceptable position, then you buy these things. So you can say sometimes a bargain and I do it to buy the necessary things in an acceptable price and to save money. So we have finished these question answers. Now, now you have an evaluation question. Try to answer this yourself. Do you know about a fixed price shop? Where is it? What does it sell? In the beginning of our today's lesson, I talked about a fixed price shop. Do you remember the name? And we see this kind of super shop everywhere. So you can answer like this. I know about a fixed price shop. It is near my house or not close to my house. It is a super shop. In this shop, different types of things are sold, such as food items, fruits, stationery items, grocery items, and vegetables, fish, and meat. So, everything you need you can find in a super shop, especially the branded ones. So, my dear students, hope you have understood these questions and this text, of course. You have learned some vocabularies from this text. Try to practice this. So, I'm going to assign you a homework for today's class. You just need to write a paragraph on a fixed price shop in not more than 10 sentences. Now, I believe you can write these 10 sentences because we have discussed so many things about a fixed price shop. So try to do this yourself at home. My dear students, we have finished our today's class. Thank you very much for your time. Please stay at home, stay safe.